Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch or your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can open it by pressing and holding the back button. Once the menu opens, use the down button here to scroll through the menu and look for the settings option. And once you select it, press the activity button to enter. Now scroll through the menu again by pressing the down button and find the option called the system. Once you select it, press the activity button to enter. And here scroll through the menu and find the option called restore defaults. Once you select it, press the activity button, select yes, press activity button and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.